Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by dropping your font files into assets/fonts, so Flutter can bundle them. Next, open PubSpec. YAML and Fonts, entry under Flutter. Use a family name that you will reference in code, for example, family, Roboto custom, and list the asset paths. Once saved, run Flutter pub-get, make sure the indentation is exact because YAML is picky. If you use variants, list weight and style entries. This first step wires the files into your app. Now update your material app theme. Set theme, theme data font family, Roboto custom to apply the font globally. This makes most widgets inherit the family automatically. For precise control, use text style font family, Roboto custom font weight, W600 on text widgets, or copy a text theme and modify specific styles. Once done, hot reload to verify changes. Hot restart if a full asset load is necessary. Remember, specifying weight and style must match declared font files to render correctly. Finish by applying fonts where needed. Either set font family on individual text style instances or derive a custom text theme and assign it to theme. This lets you mix system and custom fonts. If the font fails to show, check the family name matches exactly between PubSpec and code, verify file paths and YAML indentation, and ensure weight/style combos exist. As a troubleshooting tip, if things still go wrong, run Flutter clean then Flutter pub-get, rebuild on the target device, and inspect console logs for asset load errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.